today, like from last time, and it's from Mark Rober again. But this time it's a coin spinner. Now let's open it. Now I have opened it, let's start building it. Whoa! Can you see this, guys? It also has instructions like the last one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. And it also has the scanning devices. Now let's start building it. Also has this, which is a yellow wooden piece. And then another yellow wooden piece. A blue piece just like this yellow piece. Another blue piece just like this yellow piece. And some of these pieces which look like saber-tooth tiger teeth. And then these ghost pieces. And this ghost piece. And this arrow piece, and another ghost piece, some silica gel to keep it dry, and then another arrow piece, and a badge. Let's keep it here for now. Now let's read the instructions. Now let's open the second bag. This has some foam stickers, a pen, some coins, and some kind of sticker sheet, and a thing which you use to stick the pieces. Look guys, the coin has the Crunchlab logo and the word Crunchlab in it. Now let's open the next bag. This one's hard. There we go. This has some pins, some bolts, and a pin to keep our badge. Now let's open the next bag, which is I think full of rubber bands. Oh. Yeah, I guessed it right. It was full of small and big rubber bands. Now we have to take these bases and take this arrow piece and this pin to put them in place. So this should be like this. And see, now the arrow piece is secured to the base. Now for the next step. The next step is to get this wooden piece and then turn this around here and put this like this. Guys, you have to make sure that this yellow piece should line up with this red gear thing. And then you take another pin and secure it. Now they both are secured. And the next step is to get one of these arrow pieces and put them into this hole. See? And then to the next one, you have to take this all whole rings and secure them tightly and put them here. And there. Now I have put the elastic band. And now take a small rubber band and put it through this hole here on the red piece. Look guys, now I have secured the red piece to the board with the rubber band. Now let's test it. We have to push this here. Whoa, did you see that guys? This red piece went up by clicking. For the next step, we have to take this piece and take one of these sticky pieces and stick them into this circle. Like this. And then you have to take these two ghost pieces and put it like this. And then secure this with the O pieces. Ooh. Step is to take the large rubber bands and this toothpiece and wrap the rubber band around it. Like this. And for the next step, you have to take this and put it between these ghost pieces on the hole. Like this. Then you have to take this piece and this piece and screw them on together. Look guys, now I have secured it with the nut and bolt. Now for the next step, we need to take the foam stick, one of the foam stickers, and stick it onto this outline here. Look guys, now I have secured the foam piece and we have to stick the other side of the sticky side onto the base. We have to do it like this. Look guys, now I have secured this launcher piece onto the base. Now I have finished one gadget. There is another piece because this is 2-player and I will do it later. First, let's test this one. I'll show you how to reload it first. First, you have to pull this like this and put this red piece until this line and put it like this. Then put the coin like this onto the circle piece and close this like this. Guys, you should not let the rubber band go up here. You should only put it up here straightly. Now let's test it. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Whoa! Good. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! The blue one is for me and the yellow one is for my sister Vikasha. And this red color piece is for holding coins like this. There is also this pen and this notebook to write poems. And there is also this plastic piece to find whose coin spins longer. I'll show how the coin spins in this surface. See guys, it doesn't go out of the circle. Look guys, now I have another badge. We have to put it like this, connected to the other gear badge. And then put it like this. Now see guys, now both of them spin like a gear. And then I need to collect 10 more badges to unlock Mark Rober's signature here. Look guys, my first one is flywheel from my disc launcher. And the second one is ratchet from the coin spinner. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. And I will meet you next month with another gadget. Goodbye again.